Welcome back, my awesome people. In today's episode, I will be highlighting a psychedelic company that not only has strong fundamentals, but a revolutionary product that has been proven to work. Yes, it is a psychedelic stock, but no, they do not deal with Psilocybin, like the other psychedelic companies like MindMed and Numinous Wellness. Instead, they work with Ketamine and MDMA, but mostly Ketamine. Awakn Life Sciences, ticker symbol AWKNF, is a biotechnology company with clinical operations, researching, developing, and commercializing revolutionary therapeutics to treat addiction. It is the only company in the world providing evidence-backed ketamine-assisted psychotherapy for alcohol use addiction. Awakn's clinical trials have been a major success. It was the first controlled trial in the world to investigate ketamine-assisted therapy for the treatment of alcohol use disorders. And the results have been published in the American Journal of Psychiatry. To summarize, it was a double-blind placebo-controlled trial involving 96 patients with severe alcohol addiction. After the trial, the findings were astonishing. 86% of the patients from the trial did not drink alcohol for at least 6 months after the trial. And this has been groundbreaking in the medical world. Addiction and mental health currently stand as the 5th leading cause of illnesses worldwide, affecting 20% of the global population and rising by 13% in the last decade. In treating these conditions, science and medical professionals are looking for a more strong and healthy form of therapy in psychedelic. And to address this rise in mental health, Awakn Life Sciences is coming to the rescue, as they are highly focused in this area and they have a strong business model. Their research and development sector sets to develop world-leading therapeutics to cure addiction. Treatments through their clinics provides evidence-backed therapeutics to patients while generating excellent revenue, about $4 million per clinic. And Awakn further expands their reach by commercializing their therapeutics, allowing other treatment centers to treat their patients with Awakn's therapeutics. Awakn is making excellent progress in tapping into the addiction market, particularly alcohol use disorder, as alcohol use disorder is a persistent public health issue in the UK, the United Kingdom, affecting at least 390 million people globally. According to a Guardian report, 1 in 10 people in a hospital bed in the UK are alcohol dependent, and 1 in 5 are doing themselves harm by their drinking, according to research that quantifies for the first time the massive burden to the health system of Britain's drinking culture. Hospitals are struggling to cope with the number of people whose heavy drinking habits land them in mental health units. Treatment rates are low and relapse rates post-treatment tend to be high. New and more effective treatments are urgently needed. And so, at the beginning of this year, Awakn announced groundbreaking positive data from their phase 2 AB trial using ketamine-assisted therapy for the treatment of alcohol use disorder. The positive phase 2 trial outcome paves the way to progress this trial into phase 3 with the ultimate aim of securing regulatory approval for ketamine-assisted therapy to treat alcohol use disorder in the UK through the NHS and potentially in other regions as well. And hey, my awesome people, if this video gave you something to think about or maybe to put on your watch list, subscribe to my channel to get all my updates and investments. And follow me on Twitter at Jacob Rant and on Instagram. And if you want $25 of free real money to buy your favorite stocks, sign up with my Wealthsimple link down in the description box below and start investing. So, when looking to invest in a company, some investors follow the company's fundamentals. Others may just watch the charts, and others may just invest in what their neighbor told them. However, I always look at the company's management team, corporate board, and the, specialists and researchers who are in behind the scenes. Because a strong management team is needed to take any company to the next level. And Awakn has just that. CEO Anthony Tennyson brings an extensive background and experience. Professor David Nutt, the Chief Research Officer, has published over 400 original research papers about addiction and psychiatric disorders, and recently just announced, like literally just this month, that Dennis Purcell will be appointed as a special advisor to CEO Anthony. And why is this big news? Well, Mr. Purcell brings a wealth of life science and investment experience to Awakn. Mr. Purcell is the founder of Aisling Capital LLC, a major life sciences venture capital firm, where he has invested in, raised capital for, and advised hundreds of life sciences companies. Awakn CEO Anthony Tennyson commented on Dennis joining the team, and he says this: "To have someone of Dennis's experience, quality, and caliber is excellent for our company, but also a sign of where Awakn is heading. He has worked with so many of the top biotech companies globally, and his input and counsel will have a very positive impact as we continue to grow our business, create value for shareholders, and deliver effective treatments for clients." And this is big news not only for Awakn, but for Awakn's future outlook as well. As a potential investor, here are some key metrics. Awakn's tight share structure of only 26.9 million shares outstanding, their top-notch management team including Dr. Ben Sessa, Celia Morgan, and Professor David Nutt, and of course their newest addition, Dennis Purcell. Awakn is already generating major revenue growth through their clinics, $4 million per clinic, and they have no debt, absolutely zero debt. They also have concrete partnerships with top universities like University of Exeter and UK's healthcare system, the NHS, and of course the groundbreaking clinical results, while all being at a market cap of only $33 million. Awakn is dramatically undervalued compared to its peers and has a lot of room for a lot of upside growth. After conducting due diligence of more than a dozen different psychedelic stocks, I can say confidently that Awakn is the best psychedelic stock on the market, bar none. So, Jacob Rant, what are you going to do with Awakn? Are you going to buy or what? Well, my awesome people, what I will be doing is buying. Just like my other psychedelic positions, Awakn will be part of my psychedelic portfolio. Awakn's strong partnerships with various elite organizations, a strong management and scientific team with years of combined experience in related technology, healthcare, and psychedelic research, and according to investment banking firm Stifel GMP, they have set a solid $8 price target for Awakn, in which I actually agree with. I view this as an outstanding starting point for a biotech company that could provide an investor with great upside to any future successes along the way. And remember, my awesome people, just like all the investments that I mentioned in my videos, please do your own due diligence because I am just a clown on YouTube. And again, if you are watching this video and do not have a Wealthsimple trade account and you want free money to trade with and $0 commission fees that won't eat into your profit, sign up with my Wealthsimple link down in the description box below for $25 of free real money to trade with. Link is below. So again, I am not a financial advisor, so make sure you do your own research and consult your own financial professional. Thanks. There is so much wealth out there for all of us to get a piece of. So by allowing our hard-earned money make us more money is the key to wealth and the key to financial success. Subscribe, like, and share to help out the channel, and so you will get notified of when I post my penny stocks, REITs, dividends, and speculative stocks from my portfolio and any other investments that I am buying or selling. I want everyone to have the opportunity to get out of this work-life trap by buying back their freedom through investing. So let's all ride together on a journey of health, love, success. So until the next video, stay ranting.